2007 Chevrolet Avalanche Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. This vehicle features the following equipment: 4-speed automatic, 8-sill, 4WD painted bumpers, multi-function steering wheel, airbag deactivation, air conditioning, vanity mirrors, side impact door beams, vehicle stability assist, DVD entertainment system, tire pressure monitor, OnStar communication system, trailer wiring, satellite radio, EBD electronic brake assist, power steering, power brakes, power door locks, power windows, clock, trip odometer, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, cruise control, interval wipers, rear defroster, cloth upholstery, auto headlamp on-off delay, courtesy lights, child-proof locks, compass, bed liner, running boards, AM/FM stereo radio, tonneau cover, child safety locks, compact disc player, leather.